A man was shot and injured in Bog Walk in St. Catherine yesterday afternoon. He remains in hospital. It is reported that around 5:45 he was conducting business along 13 Lane when he was ambushed by a gunman who opened fire. He was hit in the head. His attacker fled on foot. An alarm was raised and the injured man was rushed to the hospital. The pilot of an aircraft which crashed Friday morning in St. Mary has succumbed to injuries received during the incident. The pilot has been identified as former commanding officer for the Jamaica Defense Force Air Wing Reserve, Major Dudley Beek. "We have lost one of the pillars of our aviation in the community," said Jamaica Aircraft Operators and Pilots Association President Edward Miller. The other occupant of the single-engine aircraft, who was reportedly shaken up, is said to be recovering well at hospital. The downed aircraft was reportedly spotted this morning by residents who assisted with the search and rescue mission in the hilly interior of Unity near Hampstead in Port Maria, St. Mary. Police seized 250 pounds of ganja during an operation in Knoxwood District, Lacovia, St. Elizabeth on Thursday. Reports are that between 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., lawmen assigned to the Area 3 Narcotics Division were in the area when an abandoned church was searched. It is reported that during the search, the ganja was seen tied to pieces of string inside the building. No one was arrested in relation to the seizure. 40-year-old Alistair Christie was arrested after he was caught attempting to smuggle a quantity of cocaine through the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston on Tuesday. He is of an Above Rocks, St. Catherine address and Mississauga, Ontario address in Canada. Reports from the police are that Christie checked in at the airport to board a flight destined for Canada. However, during security procedures, several anomalies were detected and Christie attempted to flee the airport, the police said. He was accosted, searched, and during the search, the drug was reportedly found on him. He was taken into custody, the police said. The illicit drugs has an estimated street value of $12 million. Following question and answer session in the presence of his attorney, Christie was charged with possession of cocaine, dealing in cocaine, taking steps to export cocaine, conspiracy to export cocaine. He is scheduled to appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on May 9.